Green Beans Almondine, a side dish that's both elegant and simple. This French-inspired recipe transforms ordinary green beans into a gourmet experience with just a few ingredients and minimal effort. Green Beans Almondine, or amandine in French, refers to a dish garnished with almonds. It's a perfect balance of textures and flavors, combining the crispness of fresh green beans with the crunch of toasted almonds and the richness of garlic. The star ingredients are fresh green beans, also known as string beans or haricots verts. Look for beans with a vibrant green color and a satisfying snap. You'll also need slivered almonds and plenty of garlic, about 3 to 4 cloves for a pound of beans. The cooking process is straightforward. Start by toasting the almonds in a skillet until golden brown. Then sauté the green beans until they're bright green and slightly softened. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Finally, toss in the toasted almonds and season with salt. This dish isn't just delicious, it's nutritious too. Green beans are low in calories and high in fiber. They're also a good source of vitamins A, C, and K. The almonds add healthy fats and protein, making this a well-rounded side dish. Green Beans Almondine is versatile enough to complement a variety of main courses. It's an excellent addition to holiday meals, but it's also simple enough for everyday dinners. Serve it alongside roasted chicken, grilled fish, or as part of a vegetarian spread. With its combination of fresh ingredients, simple preparation, and elegant presentation, Green Beans Almondine is sure to become a favorite in your recipe repertoire. It's proof that sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying.